When a decision needs to be made fast, a workshop should create clarity, not more debate. At Shevtron, our workshops are hands-on sessions where your team, our senior strategists, and on-demand specialists align on what matters most. In one focused day, we map the problem, validate assumptions with rapid research, and build a tangible prototype or roadmap you can act on. We cut through opinions and deliver measurable next steps, prioritized features, clear success metrics, and a realistic budget. Expect practical tools, real data, and experts who stay accountable beyond the room. Whether you're testing a new product, fixing a broken workflow, or planning AI adoption, we tailor the workshop to your industry and risk profile. No vague ideas, no fluffy outputs, just working artifacts you can hand to engineering, growth, or leadership. If you're ready to stop guessing and start deciding, book a Shevtron workshop. Get a practical roadmap, a committed team, and momentum you can measure. Visit Shevtron.com or email info@shevtron.com to get started.